Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore e-commerce SEO automation with Semrush, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Semrush account. Navigate to the dashboard to access the project's features. Initiate a new project for your e-commerce site if you haven't already. Fill in the necessary details, including your domain name and project name. Once the project is created, go to the SEO Toolkit section. Select the Site Audit option to assess your website's health. Configure the audit settings according to your needs. Set the crawl scope to cover all important pages of your e-commerce site. Launch the site audit and wait for the analysis to complete. Review the audit results to identify critical SEO issues. Focus on fixing broken links, duplicate content, and meta tag errors. Next, go to the Position Tracking tool. Set up keywords that are important for your e-commerce niche. Monitor your rankings and compare them with competitors. Use the on-page SEO checker to get tailored recommendations. Implement suggestions to optimize product descriptions and category pages. Next, explore the Keyword Magic tool. Conduct keyword research to find new opportunities. Filter by search volume and keyword difficulty to identify promising keywords. Create a list of keywords to target for future content. Now, navigate to the Backlink Analytics section. Analyze your existing backlinks for quality and relevance. Identify potential backlink opportunities from competitors. Reach out to websites to build backlinks for your e-commerce store. Proceed to the SEO Content Template tool. Generate an SEO-friendly content outline for new product descriptions. Incorporate target keywords, recommended length, and readability tips. Track content performance through the Organic Research tool. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.